Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm creating a semi-cut crease eyes. For primer, I'm using Kama Ayurveda Lavender Mist. For eyebrows, I've used Etude House Eyebrow product. To conceal the face, I'm using Orange Corrector and a concealer that matches me exactly from PAC Cosmetics. Foundation, I'm using Golden Beige from Too Faced. This is a very good foundation and gives a skin like finish, and also it is a full coverage foundation. Taking that on a PAC foundation brush and buffing. To highlight, I'm using LA Girls Ivory Concealer, blending it with a small blending brush, setting the areas with K Beauty loose powder in the shade Banana, highlighting my face using PAC Baked Highlighter in the shade 02. I'm using Bahama Mama's bronzer to contour the outer perimeters of my face. For blush, I'm using a peachy terracotta color and applying it on the apples of the cheeks. I'm using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, just defining the crease with a blending brush, also defining the outer V of the eyes. I'm placing a dark green on the outer V and making sure that I blend it really well, taking a violet shade and creating a semi-cut crease. So this is how it looks. Just making sure that the edges are blended really well, taking some glitter and placing it on the eyes with the help of a fluffy brush. For lips, I am using Nika's lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. This is a very good nude shade. Setting the face with Cover FX setting mist, also using Biotique lip gloss just in the center. For eyes, I am using PAC lashes and liner come glue by Vampire Beauty, using loads and loads of mascara from Rimmel. And here's the completed look. It's simple, quick, yet glamorous. Hope you all like this look. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.